Good evening, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's Chanadol here. So I'm at SeaWorld Orlando right now, and I'm excited to see their drone show later and their fireworks. So I'm gonna try and ride the newest ride here called Expedition Odyssey. Hopefully we can get on. Look at the clouds right now. It's like super cloudy, and it looks like it's about to pour rain any second. Um, but we're gonna see what we can do, and I'm excited to show you what they have for their summer spectacular here at SeaWorld. Okay guys, so look at the SeaWorld app. I like it because it has GPS directions to any ride that you want to go to. So I put it from the front of the park to Expedition Odyssey, and it tells me where to go and where it's located. So it's showing it's right here next to the Glacier Bar. Okay, so update guys, I'm not gonna be riding Expedition Odyssey right now because it's a 150-minute wait, and I don't really want to wait that long just for one ride. So we're gonna go head over to the theater to watch the new Hydro Surge show, which starts in about 20 minutes. So hopefully after that the rides will reopen back up again, because basically everything in the park is like closed because of the weather. Okay, so this is the show we're about to go into. It's called Hydro Surge. With showtime at 2:30, 4 o'clock, and 5:30. They do have their summer bites food booths around. Most of this is like what, empanadas, but this is the theater that we go into to watch the show. Okay, so we just got out of the Aqua show, and it was cool because they had like different dance performances. Kind of felt like a little rave in there, the music they were playing, and like strobe lights, and it was cool. It's a nice little way to get away if you want to just chill out in the AC. It's a 20-minute show. Fortunately when we got out, like most of the rides are still closed because there's like lightning in the area.
Thunder over there.
Yeah. I do hear the thunder. That's what I'm telling them. That's why we can't go on the roller coasters right now until the weather clears up. So I guess we're gonna look at all the gift shops until something opens up. Okay, so we're about to ride this roller coaster called Mako that will just go on. It's only a 15-minute wait. Okay, so we're about to ride Mako, strapped in. We're like in the back row, like second to last row. And we got lucky because when we walked here, it said 15 minutes, but we walked all the way up. So this is the ride I will stream a lot, so I'm gonna warn you guys about that before the ride starts, because it has a lot of airtime and big drops. But he loves this ride.
The Kraken go upside down. Yeah.
There's the other roller coaster next to us. That one is Kraken. Whoa.
Let's go.
There we go.
Is it okay?
Yeah, I'm nice. I'm not gonna fly out.
Yeah.
Oh my God, my dinner's about to fly. I think I just
Why?
More comfortable.
it has to be one. I hate heights.
No. I had my eyes closed for like half. You like rides where like you're gonna die.
A tear came out of my mouth.
There it goes again, guys. The other part. All right, we're gonna ride Penguin Trek. There's a 35-minute wait, so we're gonna go do it.
You guys have to visit like the downside.
One thing you guys gotta keep in mind when you're coming to SeaWorld is that you can't bring bags or any other stuff onto the ride unless you have a fanny pack. So to rent a locker is $12. So keep that in mind when you want to do roller coasters here. I wish they would do it like how Universal does it, where you can get free lockers, or at least put your stuff in the side, like in a little cubby hole, I call it. But that's the rules here at SeaWorld. So just a heads up when you guys are coming here. All right, now we're gonna go on.
Once in place,
Yeah.
ensuring it is properly closed and close to your body. If expedition leader approaches, please sit upright with your back against the seat so they may check your heart.
See the penguins?
Yep. I forgot about that launch. That was fun. Oh. So we just got off the ride and it's freezing in here, guys. But it looks like all the penguins over here are sleeping. Their heads are down. That's cool. Alright, up next we're gonna do the Kraken roller coaster. I'm so glad we were able to knock out as many rides we can before the firework drone starts in less than an hour. So let's go. That's it going up right now. We're gonna be going on that in a few minutes. Okay guys, so we just got off Kraken, which is that right behind me, and it was very rocky. That's a cool mural right here. I got distracted by something on the wall, but the painting. But yeah, I don't know why. I'm cool with roller coasters, but this one kind of made me a little dizzy. Okay. But I'm glad we did it. Now we got 2 more to go before the fireworks show. Up next, we're gonna do the Manta ride. Only a 15-minute wait. Yay! While we're walking through the queue, we see all these stingrays. Look at the hammerhead shark right next to me. That's so up close. Oh, there goes another shark.
Those wearing masks or
That's awesome.
must not run. Riders
It's so crazy how you have to lay this way, facing with your face flat down. That's what we're about to do next. That Manta roller coaster we got off was crazy. I thought the one before that was crazy. You know, this is crazy, especially how you're laying on your stomach the whole time, and that twist at the end. Oh my gosh, it was. Oh, that's for the aqua party thing, whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys something while we're walking to the last roller coaster, because they're having like this aqua glow club party thing by the stadium. So we didn't get to make it on Pipeline because they closed the roller coaster at 8:30 to get ready for the fireworks drone show. So we're sitting by the stadium, by the aqua club thing they're having on the main stadium stage area, and then at 9 o'clock the drone and fireworks show would start. It's funny, you see everybody dancing with the seahorses. I just got back from SeaWorld and it was an awesome time. It was cool to do like 4 roller coasters in about an hour and a half before the park closed. I wanted to do the one more Pipeline, but we made it too late because they closed 30 minutes before the fireworks drone show. So maybe next time. But it was awesome to do pretty much everything we wanted to with very little waits. It did rain a little bit, but that's normal for Florida in the summer. It always rains and then it gets sunny after a few minutes. But I enjoyed the show that we saw earlier, the water surge or something. I forgot the name of it. And then that drone fireworks show was awesome. It was about a 15-minute show and I loved it. It was so cool. I hope you enjoyed the SeaWorld vlog with me. If you do, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you next adventure. Bye.